Dear residents of Ward 35, I hope you're well. I'm Councillor Bradley Singh, your Ward Councillor for Ward 35. I want to provide residents with an important update on the ongoing repairs along Marine Drive. Today, Saturday, 10th of May 2025, I'm on site with electricians who are working to replace the substation. Additionally, the sewer department will begin repairing the rising mains as soon as the mini substation, which has exposed cables, are removed. The delay was caused obviously by the exposed electricity cables, and the department has confirmed that the switchover will take place. Residents on Marine Drive will have an electricity outage for a few hours. I will update residents in advance with a specific date and time. This is a major repair, and I will show you how serious this issue is. I must apologize for the inconvenience, but please be rest assured that I'm monitoring the progress daily and pushing for swift resolution. I also want to extend a gratitude to the electricity department and the sewer department for ensuring that this job is prioritized. If any resident has any issues or queries, please feel free to reach out to me on my cell 084 971 4847. I thank you.
DA at Work, rescuing South Africa.